news for you. This is going to be our last QRBC video for a while.
The last one!
It is. Do you know why? Because things are really changing and summer holiday is on and people are going back to school soon, so it's going to be quite different. So look out for other things that we will do instead of. But we're going to watch a few highlights back from what we have done over the last few months with the QRBC videos.
And don't worry, because we'll still have fun!
Absolutely. Now, I reckon we need a snack while we watch our highlights from these videos.
Yeah.
So we are going to make some really yummy snacks now, and this is what we'll need to make them, Ruth. We need some biscuits. I've chosen rich tea biscuits because I think they're super yummy.
Ooh.
And then we need some sweeties.
Sweeties.
So I have some Haribos.
Yum.
I've got some Smarties.
Yum.
And I've got some Jelly Babies.
Yum.
And then I have made some icing. Now the icing is literally icing sugar and water, and then I've mixed it. And I've put some blue in that one, some pink and some yellow. So we've got a few different colours too.
My hair is yellow.
It is yellow. Shall we make them now?
Yeah.
So here we go. So here's my biscuits. I'm going to put some icing on there, Ruth. Some yellow and some pink. Now you can do whatever you want on your biscuits.
Yummy!
Wow, doesn't this look good, Ruth?
It looks so good!
And let's spread it over. Oh, look how cool that is. It's got all the different colours. So nice.
Wow.
And then I'm going to put some Smarties.
I like Smarties.
Do you? I like Smarties too. And some pink. Let's put some pink things in there. And some blue Smarties and some blue Jelly Babies.
That's gonna be so yummy!
There's my yummy biscuit.
Wow!
Where's Tim? Do you think he'll like a biscuit?
I think he probably would.
Let's call him Tim! Ruth, why don't you go and find where Tim is?
That's a good idea.
Why don't you guys at home call Tim as well, and we'll see where he's gone. You ready? Tim!
Oh, hello, Ella.
Hello! Would you like a biscuit? I've just made
love
one
a biscuit.
for you. No, not you, Ruth. I've made a different one for you. Here we go.
Thank you.
Here we go, Ruth.
Yum.
Oh! You nearly bit my finger.
So yummy.
That's
Oh, these
really
look
yum.
really
Cheers.
good. Cheers.
Very good. God has made you and me and you at home for a really special purpose. We are all different because God made us different. Isn't that right, Ruth? amazing episodes. Did you know that this would be our 25th
Wow.
episode of QRBC Kids? How cool is that?
That's very, very cool. We've certainly loved looking back over what we've done. We've done loads. Loads!
And it would be really cool if you at home could send in what maybe your favourite bit was over the last 25 episodes.
Yes, please.
Yeah, why not? That would be great.
Keep looking out for what is coming up over the next few months. And, well, it would be nice to end with a prayer, Tim, don't you think?
That's a really, really, really good idea.
Let's get into our prayer positions.
Father God, we thank you that you are big and mighty and great and powerful, and you are a faithful God. Lord, even when we don't have QRBC Kids on the TV, we've still got you, we can still talk to you, and we can still praise you. Thank you that you hear us. Lord, it's amazing that we can have a friend in you. Amen! That was amazing.
So we will still be on our Sunday services. So if you want to see me, Tim and Ruth, you can see us on the Sunday morning services.
You sure can.
And keep a lookout for what is coming next for the children at QRBC.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye!